Hello again, everybody. Jason here. Doing a voiceover on this section because of the audio problem that came up between the nitrile gloves and the plastic GoPro video case. This is just to cover up some of that horribleness, and I'm going to cut into the regular audio, which is still not great, here in just a second, but I didn't want your ears to get blown out. Pretty happy with that. I put OSFO on it and on the welds to keep any surface rust from happening. I also welded in this bracket here. It's an additional torque bracket so that once through bolted, this bracket welded to the cross member will hold this portion of the bolt-on bracket that's bolted on with these 4 bolts. So these 4 hold this side of the bracket. This welded on bracket holds this side of the bracket from any torque. That's something fairly new. Hasport's added along with their K-series all-wheel drive mounts. The rest of the engine bay is pretty much just gutted. I did reposition and bolt on the brake proportioning valve. Everything's still dirty. It's going to stay dirty until I do a final clean, but that's going to happen later. As you can see, it's very almost barnacle-y is what I call it. Interior is almost completely gutted. For now, I left the wiring going to the back for fuel pump and for taillights. That's pretty much all that's left inside here. I'm probably going to take that out too. I have hopes of using that steering shaft and its associated steering wheel and gauge cluster and complete wiring harness. Complete wiring harness out of an 07 Acura TSX. I'm basically trying to make this 88 CRX HF think, computer-wise, that it is a 07 TSX. And in that way, if I can get everything functioning via the 07 TSX computer and ECU, then I can run Flash Pro on it, and that'll handle the tuning. And then once tuned, I can unplug and remove the Flash Pro. Therefore, it won't count against me in the actual budget for this car in its competition for the Grassroots Motorsports 2020 edition of the $2,000 challenge. So that's the update for now. Hope everybody's doing good. It looks like things are slowly going to start getting back to normal, so I'm kind of happy about that. I'd be happy to bring in some work, bring in some income. That'd be good. But it has allowed me a lot of time to work on the project. Thanks for watching.